everyone, my name is Jen. Welcome to the Urban Sewing Society. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you haven't hit that subscribe button below, do so, and also click on that bell so that you can get an update every time we release a new video. Today is something I'm really excited about. This is my first thrift haul video and the first one of 2021. If you follow me on Instagram at The Urban Sewing Society, you will see that I have launched a series called Thrifting with Jen. So I'm going to spend the rest of the year, I'm not going to buy any new clothes. I figure I can shop my closet, and if I need something, I can do it while thrifting, but I'm not buying any new clothes for the rest of the year. And I want to take you thrifting with me throughout the year. Now, we all know, those of you who thrift, you know that you can spend a lot of money at the thrift store. So I'm going to set some parameters for myself, and I'll be pushing those out in some later videos that I'll share with you. But today I want to get started and bring you into my thrift haul. I'm so excited because a lot of the items that I found, I wasn't expecting to find anything like that. I went in there looking for dresses, some shoes, and some sweaters, and I came out with some true treasures. Some I want to use for upcycling, some you'll find on my Instagram page for sale, some on Depop, and some on my website. So it just kind of depends on which category they fall into. But you'll see as I go through the items where they're going to place. So let's get started. So this first one is a wonderful find. This is a Perry Ellis jacket. It is a size 8. I do not wear a size 8, but I had to get it. I had to get it because it was Perry Ellis, and I thought maybe I can make some adjustments and I can wear this myself. It's just a little oversized, so it's great with jeans or leggings, a skirt, but it's such a nice blazer with a beautiful lining, so I love it and had to get it. This is also not a blazer that I'm thinking about for myself. This one, when I looked at it, I looked inside at the label, and voila, you know that from that it is vintage. It is made from Marshall Fields, a place that I love. Not going to do anything with this for me. It's probably going to go into my vintage stash, and you will see it probably on Instagram or on my website. This is so good. I didn't even try this on in the store, but either way, like, I'm hoping that it fits. Oh, and it does. It's so good. Oh my gosh. This is a Marc Jacobs coat, and when I put my hand on it and I felt the fabric, I was like, I don't care that you say that you're a size 2. I fall between a 4 and a 6, but I saw this and I was like, oh, this is my new coat. This is my new coat. Love it. And this was, I'll tell you how much it was. This was $10. Then I ran across this oh so nice blazer in the men's section just as I was leaving out. Look at that. You see that? Can you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It says Jordache. Does anybody remember Jordache? Took me back to my teenage years. Yep. I just dated myself. This jacket here is so nice. I don't want to do anything to it. I just want to wear it like this. It's a men's jacket, but it fits me just like I like. This is a Ralph Lauren blazer. It is a size 6. It should fit. I haven't tried it on yet. You all know I love bright colors and I love blazers. Oh my goodness. So excited about this. Yes, yes. Ralph Lauren. I love the patch pockets. I love the bright color. This is going to be so on for spring. Now, it may be on for a spring Zoom meeting, but I don't care. It's Ralph Lauren. I love it. Love the fabric. This was something really fun. I saw it as soon as I walked in, and when I looked at it, I thought, you know, it looked like quality to me. And it had this little design here. It's in a color that I love, this army green. I think this might be a junior's because they said it was a size large, but it fits me like a small. This sweater, I really liked it. It is a medium, but I thought it was really, really cute. It's got these little slits on the side. It was $2.50. Like, I couldn't pass it up. I might upcycle this. I got this denim jacket, not for myself, but for a customer. I have a customer that asked for a denim jacket, and I actually picked up a few. And honestly, I really like this jacket for myself. I love the buttons. I love the pockets. It's a good quality denim. It fits me perfect, but Lord knows I have so many denim jackets. And it was $4. This is another denim jacket. I'm not going to try it on, but this was another one that I got for $4. Definitely going to use it for one of my customer orders. This pair of Kenneth Cole green denim jeans. This is actually going to be used for an upcycle. If you look back into my videos where I upcycled a pair of denim jeans, turned them upside down, used the front for the front of the jacket, the back for the back of the jacket, and the sleeves were contrasting. I have been looking for weeks for another pair of denim jeans so that I can add this to my website, because I don't want to sell the one that I made for myself because I love it so much. So that's what that one is going for. Let me tell you how great this skirt is. It's this heavy, really heavy wool. It's got these huge kind of buckles in it. I can't wait to wear this with some long boots. Now this skirt I picked up, I wasn't completely in love with it, but at $3 I thought, you know, I might be able to make this work. It's by 14th and Union. It's pretty okay. I feel like I can pair this up with one of my silk blouses, maybe some boots, some pumps. I think that'll be nice. This dress is specifically for an upcycle. This is not my style at all, but the fabric and the pattern I love, and it's well made. This is by Rulie. It's a size medium, and it's got so much potential, and the dress has pockets. This shirt is by Rockmount Ranch Wear. It's some kind of cowboy shirt. It's so interesting with the design. So it's pink and blue, but it's got these really cool buttons on it. Looks like some of them are a little cracked. So I'm not sure what I'll end up doing with this. I may even use this for an upcycle. It's vintage. This jacket right here, it is by Wet Seal. I've not tried it on yet. Yeah, this is a no-go for Jen. It'll be on the website. I love it though. It's heavy quality. The fabric feels so good, so well made, in great condition. So that's where that's going. This shirt came from, this is by Penguin. And I love the brand Penguin. Not sure if I'm keeping it or not, but I love the color, the pink, shades of pink. Love it. You cannot go wrong with a black pleated skirt. I've wanted one of these for a while, and I'm so happy that I found it. This was $7. Banana Republic. These pants are by Lucy, and I saw these pants in the store about a year ago, and I love them because the fabric was so great. I thought they would be super comfy. I love the drawstring. I love the cargo look. So I couldn't pass these up. They were $6. Yes, these are for me. This was one of my best finds, and as much as I am thinking about keeping it for me, I think it's going to go to the website. This is Kate Spade. I love this fabric. I love everything about this fabric. Can you see it? It's great. It's so good. I love all of the little touches. I love the exposed zipper. It's so cute. So I don't know. I'm not sure yet. This duster speaks to me. It totally speaks to me. It is so something that I cannot wait to rock. Like, everything about it. The color, the vibrancy, the blue, the gold, the flowers. I'm so excited about it. It hits me just right. So this is one of my faves. We're getting close to the end. This coat is by 11's. It's this great quality fabric. It's kind of a tapestry looking. You can kind of see. I really like this coat, but after I got it home, I thought, will I wear it? Maybe, maybe not. I'm on the fence about it, but I thought it was so cute I couldn't pass it up. So you may see this one somewhere. Finding something in the pocket. This person had their grocery list. Cleaners, cereal, oatmeal, pasta, almond milk, baby wipes, trail mix, Epsom salt, ketchup, waffles. Thought it might have been some money. It's got holes in the pocket, so I need to fix those, and if I'm gonna sell it. These pants, love them, love them, love them. Another Banana Republic. They're stretch. I liked the gray color. I liked that they were straight leg, and they're nice and tapered in the waist, so I know that they'll fit my waist. Again, $3, $3.50. A couple more clothing items that I want to show you. This skirt, oh my goodness, it's so super cute. I don't wear anything this short, so I'm going to challenge myself to do something with this. I don't know what it's going to be. I feel like it's got great potential. Maybe it's some kind of bustier, some kind of little top like this with a white shirt. You know, if I take it apart in the back, I can put some darts in it and I can wear it like this. It was just too good to leave behind at $3. So next up are the shoes. We're going to start with these little brown ones. Love them. So super comfortable. The leather was nice and soft. They're made by Audrey Brooke, and I'm not familiar with that designer, but they were just made so well. I wore them when I was taking some pictures the other day in the white shirt, and I had on some plaid bottom pants, and they went really well with that. The heel is just perfect, not too high. They were in great shape, so love them. The next pair is this kind of gold and silver floral. They were in such great condition, and I thought they were so cute that, you know, I'm going to pair them with something and they're going to look so nice. I think my favorite pair that I found this weekend were these Michael Kors booties. I mean, they had hardly been worn. I'm not a big fan of Michael Kors, but these leather boots felt so good. And that's the other thing, when you're out thrifting, you want to look for real leather because it's going to wear better, and you'll see that in one of my future finds. But the leather is going to be better on your foot just in general. So I love these Michael Kors. Then there are these Tahari pumps. Oh my goodness. Like, the color is this kind of yellowish taupish. And again, no wear on the heels. A little wear on the bottom, but it's a platform heel. These are definitely going to be on point when it's time to return to work. These are Change by Charles David. I love Charles David shoes. Charles David makes a wonderful, wonderful shoe. So this pump, it's got a kind of a chunkier heel, and it's got a platform, a little design on the front, a little rounded heel. Looks very great with some wide leg pants or a skirt. So these are definitely work shoes. These here, oh my goodness. I was so happy to find these. I have been looking for some leopard print pumps for I don't even know how long. And these are by Nine West. I love Nine West shoes. They always fit really good. I haven't had any problems with them tearing up and wearing down. So I love them. I love that they have a platform. I love that they're not just the leopard fabric, but they have that texture. Love them. And they're trimmed in this, if I read it correctly, leather trim. These were $7. They're so good. So good. Okay, two more items that I have left to share with you. One of them is this boot. Now, it doesn't fit me, so you won't see me wearing it, but I will show you a picture of it. The leather on here is so soft. They're made by Everybody, and I can't wait to share and post these. These will be up on my Instagram page or on the website, one or the other. And again, it's not my size, but I thought they were so nice and so soft and so unique the way that they're made. I already turned the camera off and ended the video before I realized that I wanted to show you these belts. Now, this one is regular, kind of plain. It's a nice leather belt with loops on the end, so it's pretty basic. But this one, oh my goodness, this one is so good. Look at that design on there. It's nice, decorative, very embellished. I'm going to take the belt off. I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to use this belt for an upcoming project. So yes, 99 cents. And it might have cost me 99 cents in the store, or it might have cost $4 or $5 for something that's this intricate. Probably would have cost a lot more. So always look at the belt section, because you never know what you might find. I mean, this would be nice as a brooch. It could go on a handbag. It could go on a belt cinched at the waist. So there's so many things that you can do with it. Don't overlook those belts. So on next week's shopping trip, we'll be looking for belts. The last item are these boots by Fossil. When I tell you that these are like probably my favorite find, I love them. And as you can see from the picture, they have this beautiful fabric on the inside. They're extremely worn. I'm going to take them to get them shined up and hopefully have them ready to show in this video, because one of them is in really bad shape and the other one is in okay shape. They're worn, but that worn leather look is really, really nice. They're a size 7.5, but they were only $2.50. So I figured if I spend $10 to get them shined, even if it cost me $20 to get them shined, it's still worth it for me, because they are Fossil and they're so super cute. So I can't wait to rock these with some jeans and a blazer and a white crisp shirt. Man, that is going to be so good. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my thrift haul. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to subscribe. Can't wait to do more of this with you guys. So thanks again for joining, and I'll see you next time. Bye.